Second grade, today we are going to make a sun and moon picture, and I'm going to be drawing mine in Sharpie so you can see it. You're going to do yours first in pencil, and then we're going to outline it in Sharpie. So the first thing you want to do is put your name on an edge, just in case you screw up or don't like it. You can always flip it over. If you put your name right in the middle, then you have to erase that, and you can still sometimes see it. Also put your second grade and your teacher's initial. You're going to flip it over. You might see a few pencil lines. I've already started drawing mine, but I want you to do step by step. So first thing, you would be doing it in pencil. You're going to have a paper plate near you. And what you're going to do is you are going to, in the middle of your paper, trace a nice big circle. This is going to be the beginning of our sun moon. So you'll see that you can see it better in my video if I have black marker. All right, so you start with a big black circle. Then I want you to take the sun and the moon and split them in half. So I'm going to draw a nose. It's like a profile. It's the side of the face. You can see here is like a moon shape, and here is the sun. And then you want to make them into faces. So I think during the day, I'm going to have an open eye showing that it's daytime and you're awake. Maybe doing iris, pupil. You can get fancy. You can put in different textures if you want. And then I want you to do a mouth, or like half a mouth. And on the other side, I'm going to continue the other thing and do the other half of the mouth. And then I'm going to split it into two lips. So it's kind of like both at the same time. If this is the moon's nose, I'm going to give him a fun nostril. You can give whatever shape you want. And since it's nighttime, I'm going to make him asleep. You can make your lashes thick, thin, whatever you want. Then I want you to think about patterns and lines. You'll have rulers at your table, and I want you to make the rays of the sun. So out from the edge, I'm going to make like a pattern. I'm going to do a thin line, and then I'm going to jump so it's a thick line. Thin, thin, thick. So you can see I'm making stripes, and they're kind of coming out like rays from the sun. And you'll be doing this in pencil, so if you make a mistake, it's erasable. If you go and do your pencil lines really lightly, remember, you can always erase it really well, but if you go really hard with your pressure, it's really hard to erase once it's put down. So try to be really light on your pencil, and then you can outline that later. So then on the moon, I want you to kind of draw another line, and another line, and another line. They're almost like the moon is glimmering to the edge. And as I run out of room, I'm just kind of pretending that it continues. Then what I want you to do is kind of fill in different patterns in the rings. We're going to be painting these with warm and cool colors. Remember, cool colors are blue, green, and purple. And warm colors are red, yellow, and orange. And I just want you to kind of think through, your designs do not need to look like mine. In fact, it would be really cool if you came up with your own individual ideas. Make yours look different than the person next to you. Just go and keep filling in different, really neat ideas for you to paint next time. All right, when they are done, we're going to put them inside our folder, and then next time we'll be ready to start our painting. All right, thank you for listening.